It's really exciting to work in the world of maths education, and everybody is so busy that actually being able to come together and have people of like mind together enables teachers, I think, to just step back from the classroom for a while and really think about their practice and what they want to be doing that's best for the children next.
We're at Bristol Metropolitan Academy, and this is our 4th annual conference for the Boolean Maths Hub, which is one of 35 maths hubs as part of the National Maths Hubs programme. And we work with schools and practitioners to hopefully raise outcomes for children in mathematics. With this event, you get together primary, secondary, FE, early years, and you're able to see the journey of the children's maths education all the way through. Therefore, learning something within your own practice phase, or where they've come from or where they're going to.
I think events like this would help any teacher to improve, because we're always looking at ways that we can improve our trade, our practice, how we deliver lessons. So it's quite important that I think that these events are really, really good.
I feel as if that's what I've been doing in maths education for years, is listening and watching, being able to articulate some of the wonderful things that teachers do, because I've been able to see how what they're doing can actually make a significant difference to the quality of their mathematical learning.
This has a value of 10, this has a value of 9, but if this is one whole, this is 9/10. But the point I'm making here is that I'm making sense of that in the same way as I've made sense of divisions right from 30 divided by 6. And in fact, you can go lower. You can go 12 divided by 3. You can do that with counters. I am making sense of that division in the same way that I have made sense of division all the way through my journey about division.
I think one of the really good features of modern teaching practice is that the cognitive psychologists have come in on this, thinking about, okay, what is learning? And part of this is actually retaining. It's not just what happens in the classroom, getting it, understanding it, it's by the next lesson, retaining it, and so it can be built on. Trying to build a coherent understanding of mathematics. How does that bit of algebra relate to that bit of geometry? You know, that's the key thing.
Learning is not mechanistic, mathematics is not mechanistic. There's the definition of mastery that I started with, and what I hope I've done is show you 3 situations where the mastery that develops is going to be different in each, but in each of those, the idea of developing understanding of the linear relationship, but they're not a recipe, because you may have spotted teacher questioning.
It's been really good to get involved with the Boolean Maths Hub with my reception head on as well, to see what type of things we can take from the mastery approaches and teaching from mastery curriculum and things like that to go into reception in early years and see how that can work there as well.
From today, I would like people to take away the fact that everybody's in this together, that there are different ways of looking at things and things that every single person can improve. Whether you're looking at your own practice in your own school, somebody in the same phase, or from a different one. If we all work together and we all work on improving things, then there will be a change in outcomes, and that's what Collaboration Counts is all about.
It is about bringing teachers together. Events like this support us to grow the maths community. Maths teachers aren't in our own place. We aren't sort of working in isolation. We need to come together as a community to look at how to teach maths better.